Watch. Get over here. Come here. Good boy. Get that snow. Clutch. What is this? Come here. Come here. Come here. You like the deep snow? Coolest parts of this whole job I haven't even shown you guys yet is getting to play with this bad boy all day. That's how I load and unload my pallets when they aren't doing it for me. What's going on, guys? Figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an update here. Good morning. I got back to the yard at about 1 a.m. I got back to my van at about 1:30 and to sleep at about 2. Oh my gosh, I look like I had no sleep. And I was supposed to be up for 5 to do a delivery for 6, and I ended up waking up at 6:23. So I was a little bit late for the first delivery. They weren't too mad or upset with me or anything. I told them it was my first day, and well, not first day, but first morning, and I'm not much of a morning person. It was totally my fault. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm almost done these morning deliveries. There's not too many of them, and then I believe I'm done for the day. I could be wrong. One of the other guys mentioned possibly going to Vancouver again today, so I might be down for that if I do wake up a little bit more. But right now, oh my gosh, I just want to sleep some more. I'm tired. I will say though, Kelowna morning views are absolutely beautiful. I love the haziness in the sky over the mountains and the snow. It's so nice. This isn't the best job ever. I can bring my dog with me and I can bring the truck home. Didn't need to go back and get the tourists. They said just bring the truck back to your van, take a nap, and then I'm heading out to Vancouver again. Decent amount of snow fell tonight on the Coquihalla. No wonder all those semis are putting on chains. This is one of the pull-off areas, but you can kind of get a gist of how the roads are. Hello everybody. I'm sorry I haven't posted in so long. It's been like a week, 8 days, 9 days already. I've been taking just little clips of me working and stuff. That's all I've really been doing the past little bit, is kind of just working. When I'm not working, I'm just sleeping for the most part. So I haven't really been doing too much exciting right now. I think it just has something to do with winter, honestly. As much as winter van life is fun, it's also like I just want to go down back roads and go camping and explore and stuff. So yeah, there hasn't been too much going on. I haven't been even videoing too much yet again. I'm just really bad at this whole vlogging type stuff, and I feel like if I'm not doing anything like really throughout my day, then like what's the point, honestly? And to just take you guys back and forth to Vancouver will definitely get old quick. Nothing exciting has really happened. So this is probably going to be the last video of me going to work. So I'm not just consistently posting videos of me going to work and stuff. But so I had a TikTok like absolutely blow up, like absolutely blow up. It has almost 10 million views and 500,000, over 500,000 likes already. I've gained 25,000 TikTok followers, so I've been, you know, keeping up with that and stuff right now. But the video I went viral on was a video that's kind of in conjunction with this man that I saw an apparent giant up in Jasper, and then he apparently got followed by, he says, CIA, and then he ended up passing away like a month and a half after. So it's very weird, very suspect. So I posted that and everyone blew up. My TikTok blew up because everyone thinks I'm going missing next. I have my hood on because my hair is an absolute mess. Absolute mess. I need to get a haircut. But yeah, so I'm going to just kind of follow up with that TikTok and go up to Jasper in the next few days, whenever this job actually pays me, because I'm kind of broke right now. So I gotta wait to get paid. They owe me a decent amount of money, like almost $2,000. So once they pay me for that, I'm going to throw some gas. I don't think I'm gonna take the van. This is gonna be, maybe I will. I was thinking about taking the car, but maybe I'll take the van. I don't know what I'm gonna take up there. I was just gonna take the car, maybe spend one night, but I probably wasn't even gonna stay a night and just kind of head back. But so I'm gonna go up to Jasper and go try and find this spot where Buddy apparently saw this giant, and see if what he was zoomed in on is an actual giant or was a giant. If it's there, you know, if it's there still, then obviously it's something else, and if it's gone, then it could have been this giant walking, you know. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty cool. I'm gonna go to the same spot that he has. My phone has 100 times zoom, and I'm gonna zoom right into the object that's on top of the hill so I can see what it actually is, and show all these new TikTok followers that I have if giants are real or not. So yeah, I think that'll be a fun little video to do going up to Jasper. It'll be nice views, go on a nice little walk with Clutch. Oh, I was kind of thinking, where the heck is Clutch right now? But he's outside. Don't worry, I'm at my buddy's house and he's in the fenced-in backyard. He's not just running around a Walmart parking lot right now. Yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. I haven't really, I don't know, I don't really have too many plans right now for making good videos, but I do want to do a kind of walk around in here and show you guys what I have and my setup and stuff. But at the same time, it's like, it's kind of embarrassing. Like, it's just like, I don't know, it didn't turn out how I wanted it to. It's just kind of like a ghetto van with shelves for my stuff, which is fine, it's fine, but I don't know, maybe I'll clean up a little bit and I'll do a little bit of a walk around in the next couple days for you and show you guys my setup. But yeah, I'm going to wrap this up. This video is a little bit shorter than the rest of my videos, which you guys are probably super thankful for. But this video is also a lot more boring than most of my videos. It's kind of just a driving video. Lots of beautiful views and some real cool music that I found on my software, my editing software. Some good music. I wish I could use real music so bad. I have so many songs where it's just like, they resonate with me and they'd make my videos so much better, but I have to use what I can find for free. So anyways, thanks everyone for tuning in and watching this video again, and hopefully the next video will be a lot more fun and just me doing something crazy. Because, oh, before I go too, I gotta give a congratulations. Thank you everybody for 500 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. That's awesome. It's halfway to my goal of 1,000. All your guys' names are gonna be up on this roof. I'm gonna have to start writing them a little bit smaller to fit them all. But yeah, thank you so much for that. That's super awesome that I'm already a little bit over, I think I'm like 5'11" or something like that. So a little bit over halfway to 1,000, which is then when I can get monetized. But I've been thinking and I'm like, I keep looking forward to getting monetized, but I need to make proper videos first, because number one, I still need watch hours, and number two, people need to watch my videos still. I mean, like, more people, you know, getting 300, 400 people watching my videos is not going to generate a whole lot of income for this. So I need to start creating better content and just, I don't know, getting more views that way and just whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling on. If anyone wants to support my journey, I have links below for my Shopify and whatever else, all my I have my PayPal and stuff in there, but I don't want that way. Just buy a shirt or something like that. That'd be cool. And yeah, just gonna wrap it up, I guess. There was something else I was gonna say, but I can't remember what it is. So I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in again to my random video and then me babbling at the end. I don't know how else to make a video. Peace.